Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious unsweetened iced tea at home. Forget sugary drinks. We will focus on natural flavors. We'll cover everything from selecting the right tea leaves to achieving the perfect steep and chilling your brew. You'll learn how to create a refreshing beverage that is both healthy and satisfying, using just a few simple ingredients and techniques. Get ready to enjoy a cool, crisp glass of homemade iced tea. The journey to great iced tea begins with your choice of tea. Opt for high-quality loose leaf or tea bags for a superior taste experience. For brewing, a good rule of thumb is to use 1 teaspoon of loose tea for every 8 ounces of filtered water. Black teas generally need a steeping time of 3 to 5 minutes. For green tea, a shorter steep of 2 to 3 minutes is ideal to avoid any bitter notes. Remember, water temperature also plays a crucial role in extracting the best flavors. Once your tea is brewed, it's time to chill it down. For a quick cool down, pour the hot tea directly over a glass filled with ice. This method helps lock in the fresh flavor. If you have more time, let the tea cool to room temperature before refrigerating it. Store your homemade iced tea in a sealed pitcher in the fridge where it will stay fresh for about 3 days. Serve it over ice, perhaps with a slice of lemon or a sprig of fresh mint for an extra touch of natural flavor. To elevate your unsweetened iced tea, always start with filtered water. It truly makes a difference in taste. Be mindful not to oversteep, especially with delicate teas, as this can introduce bitterness. Don't be afraid to explore various tea types, from robust black teas to light white teas, to discover new favorites. For a natural twist, try infusing your chilled tea with fruit slices like orange or peach, or even a few cucumber slices for a delightful, sugar-free refreshment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.